Okay, you can actually do both. Yeah, give it a shot.
Okay. You ready for some solid food?
It's your first solid food.
Ooh. Lucas. Oh,
What
what's
is this?
that? What is that? Hmm? What is that? What's that?
I'm not sure about this.
Strange. Should we try again?
What do you think of that? What do you think of that, little man? You're pretty funny.
Should we try again? Should we try again?
What do you think? Not bad? Yeah?
Ooh. Yeah, baby.
You're kind of a messy eater, little man.
Oh. What's that look? What's that? Oh, Lucas, you're throwing your food around, boy.
He's really pounding on the table.
Mmm.
I kind of like the milk bar better. Ooh.
Try again. Oh, you're trying really hard. Good job, baby. Good job. Yeah.
Oh, good boy. I see you kind of chewing there. Good little
Yeah.
man.
All right. Ooh. Oh, yay. You got it down now, boy. All right.
Quick learner.
Yeah. Lucas, here comes more.
Oh, you gotta pay attention to mama, not the camera.
Boop, boop, boop. Oh, yeah. Anticipating. Very good. Mmm.
How's that? Yeah? What do you think, little man? Solid food, huh? I don't know.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh,
Ooh.
let's not throw it all over. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good there, kiddo. Well, let's wipe the face first.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Here it comes. Nom 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 nom.
Mmm.
You're doing pretty good there. You're doing pretty good, little man. Yes, you are.
Oh. Whoop, whoop. I think
Here
you're
it
doing that because you're
comes.
excited, but I don't know. Ooh. Oh, look what we got. Oh, oh. Ooh, yes, good job, baby. Good job, baby.
What do you think? How'd you do? I'm kind of happy. I'm just happy about everything.
You're doing very good, Lucas.
Whoa,
Very good. Oh.
Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, very good job, baby. You got this eating solids down, kid. Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, very exciting, isn't it?
I'm an expert.
Just wait till I get my hands on your steak, Daddy.
Oh. Oh. Let's let Mommy hold the spoon for now.
You seem to be doing pretty good there, little man. You're doing really good.
Ooh. Here we go. Up, up. Oh, yes. Good job. Good job, baby. You were ready for food. Yes, you were ready.
Well, let's see. It's the 22nd, so I think 2 days ago would have marked 4 months officially.
Yes.
It's exciting, isn't that, Lucas?
Mmm.
Ooh. Oh.
Whoop, food. Oh, more interesting than camera. Yeah.
Alright, I'll get the camera out of your way so you can focus on eating, little man. Bye-bye, Lucas.